Everything happens for a reason. In a quiet valley there lived a poor farmer named Rohan. He owned nothing but a small plot of land and a single cow, which gave him just enough milk to survive. The villagers often told him, "Sell your cow and buy seeds to grow crops. Then you'll have more." But Rohan would smile and say, "This cow is my only wealth. She feeds me today. Why trade her for tomorrow's uncertainty?" One morning the cow wandered into the forest and never returned. The villagers gathered, shaking their heads. "Such misfortune! Now you have nothing." Rohan simply replied, "Maybe it's misfortune. Maybe it's not. Who can say?" 3 days later, the cow returned, leading a lost bull and 2 stray goats. The villagers gasped, "Rohan, you're blessed. Now you have 4 animals instead of 1. But Rohan shrugged. Or perhaps trouble. Time will tell. His son, eager to help, began taming the bull. But one day, the beast kicked him, breaking his arm. The villagers cried, "See? Bad luck follows you." Rohan only said, "Pain is not always the end of the story." A month later, the king's army marched through, conscripting every able-bodied young man for war. But Rohan's son was spared. His broken arm made him useless to the generals. As the other boys were taken away, the villagers wept. "You were wise, Rohan. Your son's injury saved him." Rohan nodded. Life is like the river. Sometimes it floods, sometimes it dries, but it always flows. Who are we to judge its course? Moral. What seems like loss may be gain in disguise. Patience reveals what haste cannot see. Vocabulary words from the story. Misfortune, meaning bad luck, an unfortunate event. Example, losing the cow seemed like a misfortune, but it led to unexpected blessings. Conscription meaning, the act of forcing people to join the military. Example, when the king's army came for conscription, many young men were taken to war. Shrugged, meaning, lifted the shoulders to express doubt, indifference, or lack of concern. Example, Rohan simply shrugged when the villagers warned him. It didn't shake his calm. Spared meaning, allowed to avoid something unpleasant or harmful. Example, his son was spared from war because of his injured arm. Patience, meaning, the ability to stay calm and wait without complaining. Example, through patience, Rohan learned that life's losses often bring unseen rewards. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.